What are we making?
Chocolate banana ice cream.
Not ice cream, chocolate banana peanut butter bars.
Oh,
You got it?
chocolate milk bar.
Okay. We need a bowl. We need to.
Yucky bills.
Huh?
These are yuck ones.
That's what they're really good for bars. That's why we're using them.
These ones the queen one.
Yeah, we'll use both.
Okay.
All right, can you mash? Are you a good masher? Do you know what that means?
What?
I need you to squish the bananas until they're all squishy. Can you do it?
It's all smushed.
You gotta smush it more. Got more coming.
Huh?
More in there. Smush. It's called mash. Mash, mash, mash all day long. Can you sing the song?
Smash all day long. Smash all day long.
Yep. You want some more to smash? Boom. And another. Yeah.
Can you give me something to drink?
Do you have a cup? Hold the bowl. Smash it good.
I want orange. I have orange. Just a little.
Oh, Carter, keep it in there.
Put this in the off.
All right, so next we need to put in brown sugar. How much brown sugar, you ask? 3/4 of a cup.
Yeah.
How much is that?
This is.
That's 1 cup. It's a half a cup, sorry.
There's 2 cups.
So we need 3/4 of a cup of sugar, brown sugar, okay? But that is a half a cup, and this is 1/4 of a cup. So we'll use one of these and one of those. Ready? Hold your cup over the bowl.
These are the same.
This is oil. How much oil?
Just over it.
1/4 cup. Is that which is a 1/4 cup? One of those is a 1/4 cup. Which one?
I think this one.
Yep. Hold it over.
Oh,
Oh, put it in. All right, put that in the sink. Okay.
next one.
Next is
Pineapple?
eggs.
What do I do?
Crack it.
Oh,
You dropped it.
uh,
I'll try this one.
what do I do? Next what, Chef Dad? Next what, Chef?
Well, we gotta get this really mixed together. See how it's all.
Is it peanut butter?
There is peanut butter. What else? Eggs, vanilla, egg.
Next what?
Next, add the dry ingredients.
What is it? Else?
Do you know what dry ingredients are?
What?
What else do you think we might need?
I think.
Can you stir that? I think we're gonna need some flour, buddy.
Okay.
Okay, 1 3/4 of a cup of flour.
That's it. Only one. Only one. Only one. Next what? We stir up the peanut butter.
All right, there's 1 cup. Put it in. 1.
It's mixed up. Oh, I can't see the peanut butter. See, I can see the peanut butter.
See, you gotta stir it some more. Turn it over. Go like this. Whoop. Look at all that peanut butter. Whoop. And the bananas and everything. Just keep stirring like that, okay? You stir it. I gotta get some baking soda. Baking soda. We need a teaspoon of baking soda. How about this?
Not that.
1 teaspoon. All right, stir it in, stir it in, stir it in. How about half a teaspoon of salt? Put out your hand.
Ah.
All right, half teaspoon of salt and vanilla extract and everything's in except for chocolate. But we can't put the chocolate in until you finish mixing.
Yeah.
You want me to help?
That's what we have pineapple.
The pineapple? You think it goes in there?
Yeah.
No. Pineapple is not for this delicacy. Okay? We're gonna need chocolate chips. Can you work on opening those? Uh-oh. I think you better taste one and make sure it... Is it chocolate? Is it okay? Bite it.
It's good.
It's good? Okay. Alright, dump those in. Alright. Should we put a couple more in? You really like those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Couple more? Okay, there you go. Oh, you gotta make sure it tastes right? Test it. Okay, put the rest in. Put it in the sink. Wipe your fingers. Okay. Put this in the sink. Are you doing the dishes or am I?
Huh?
Who's doing the dishes?
Me.
Oh, cool. But first we gotta finish this. Does that look like enough chocolate chips? Wait, Carter, please come back. We gotta finish this.
But I'm doing it.
Does that look like enough chocolate chips to you?
Yeah.
Do you see them?
Yeah.
Okay. You want more?
Yeah.
Okay. Just put them on in.
It's so hot. I need some gloves.
All right. Where's your gloves?
It's here.
Okay.
I want gloves. These are my gloves.
Okay.
This is also a glove.
Yep.
Now, I need gloves.
Okay.
I can't get this.
You ready to put it in the oven?
Yeah.
Here we go. 1 and 2. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. All right. Set a timer for 20 minutes.
5 minutes.
No.
20.